In modern Q&A, finding bugs isn't the problem. Finding the right bugs before they break your production is the real challenge. Most automation tools are dumb. They only find what you tell them to look for. They miss patterns, ignore historical data, and leave your system vulnerable. Kualitee introduces machine learning into the heart of bug management. We don't just detect bugs, we predict where they'll strike next. Our ML-driven scripts analyze historical patterns to identify hotspots in your code. This isn't just a script, it's an intelligent audit of your entire software health. The missing feature in other platforms? Predictive prioritization. While other tools bury you in alerts, Kualitee tells you which bugs will impact your users most. Move from reactive fixing to proactive prevention. Smarter scripts, faster cycles, and a bug-free experience. Experience the future of bug management. Start your free trial at kualitee.com today.